What is up? What is up? Mr. Crazy 1870. So we have the Marvel Avengers Collector's Edition. Now this will set you back at about 200 bucks, and I know it's been rolled out for about 2 weeks now, but I still wanted to check it out myself. So if we look at the front, we have a little bit of branding, Marvel Avengers. If you look at the back side, you get a quick little rundown on all the things that come included in this bundle. So let's go ahead and jump right into this pretty large box. Not the biggest, but still pretty large. Go ahead and jump right. So up first, you are greeted with a hardcover, which you got the Avengers logo right there on the front side. Some of the special powers on the back side. And if we open up the actual case, it is a hard case. You do have the actual game. Now they did give me another hardcover case, which I will show to you guys in just one bit. So this is another hardcover that comes included with this bundle. But again, they also included another free one, which I'll show you guys in just one bit. So up next, we do have, I believe, Iron Man logo. And if we open it up, we're greeted with Iron Man's blueprint. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up real quick. So this right here is Iron Man's blueprint. Let's go ahead and check it out. So pretty large blueprint. Man, this thing is pretty dope. This is it right here, Iron Man's blueprint. It's pretty dope, pretty large. So pretty much a full-blown general specifications of Iron Man. It's pretty dope. Additional flight control, damper untested. Reinforced plates, no bending. So it's pretty much a full-blown Iron Man blueprint, detail by detail. It's pretty dope. Hopefully you guys can get a pretty good view and look on how it looks. Go ahead and put this away. All right, so up next we do have a 5x7. We have a 5x7 Avengers Day group photo. Now this right here looks pretty dope. It actually looks full blown like a photo. If we look at the back, it says, "Finally met my heroes and one day reassemble." Pretty much looked like some normal writing. I think that's pretty dope. Pretty dope, nice touch, pretty nice detail that comes with this actual photo right here. So up next we have what it looks like, your Avengers Honorary pin. Pretty dope pin. Look at the back, got your pins. You can go ahead and just pin this to your shirt, pin it to your sweater, pin it to your hat, to those Avengers fans out there. All right, so digging just a little bit deeper inside the box, we have a couple more things, a couple more main things, which I'm actually looking forward to. So let's go ahead and start off with this little container right here. Let's see what we got right here. Oh wow, check that out. So this is the Thor keychain, and this thing is actually pretty heavy. Check that out. Pretty heavy. You got your little keychain right here so you can throw in your keys, but man, this thing is pretty heavy. Honestly, you could probably cause damage to somebody, hit somebody in the head with this. Check that out. Nonetheless, it's pretty dope. keychain. Got some little lettering on top. And once again, you got your little keychain ring towards the bottom. That way you can go ahead and throw it with your keys and have this in your keys. Again, it's pretty dope. I'm pretty sure you'll never lose your keys with this right here. Pretty dope right here. All right, so up next we have, we got my favorite. This is my boy right here. This is who I want to be. Check that out. Love Tony. Check that out. That is dope right there. And look at how, man, it's a beast right there. Check him out. Look how swole. This is dope right here. So here at the bottom it does say Love Tony. Check that out. That is dope. Hulk bobblehead. How dope is that? That is dope right there. That is by far my favorite piece as of right now in this edition. It's dope. You also got a little bit of rubber pieces here at the bottom, so for when you place it like on your desk or wherever you place it to display it. That's dope. My favorite piece in this edition by far right now. All right, so for the last and final piece, like a big boy right here. Big boy. Let me go ahead and move this out the way. So we got a 12-inch Captain America statue. This is also pretty dope. A lot of detail, a lot of color. This nation was funded on one principle above all else. That's dope. Let me go ahead and take this off to show you guys. Check that out. Check out the face details right there. This is dope right here. This is also pretty dope. I think for me, you know what? I think we're missing one thing, but I think for me, these are probably like the best pieces in this edition right here. Both of these right here. But personally, my all-time favorite would be this guy right here. The Hulk. That's dope, but still, nonetheless, this is also pretty badass. And yes, I was missing something. We also got the Black Widow belt buckle right here. Check that out. That's also pretty dope. You could throw this on one of your belts, use it as a belt buckle. We're gonna rock that. Definitely blinged out. That's pretty dope right there. So that's the Black Widow belt buckle. So like I was saying earlier in the video, they also hooked me up with this art Steelbook case cover for the actual game. But this one right here has the Avengers logo on the front. You also have some cool artwork on the back end or the front end. I'm not exactly sure. But this one here shows all the characters, and look at the Hulk right there at the top looking like a beast ass. So this one right here is pretty dope as well. So that's the Avengers, what is it? Marvel Avengers Collector's Edition. For me, I think that the best pieces in this edition right here would be Captain America statue and the Hulk bobblehead. I think those are probably some of the best pieces that are my favorites in this edition, and also this artwork Steelbook right here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Don't forget to check out the 2 latest videos. Check out the site looneytechtv.com, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.